Hello students, welcome to part 12 of chapter 11, Enhancement in Food Production. Today we are going to discuss about microbes as biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are nothing but nutrients. Rather, fertilizers also are nutrients which are necessary for the growth of the plants and they will increase the productivity of the crops. One of the fertilizers are biofertilizers. So let us see the different types of fertilizers. The three types of fertilizers can be divided as or can be studied as inorganic fertilizers, also called as chemical fertilizers, organic fertilizers or biological fertilizers, and biofertilizers. Inorganic fertilizers are synthetic fertilizers, chemical fertilizers which are having minerals of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in definite proportion. Organic or biological fertilizers, they include all the farmyard manures, the waste from the farm, the compost which is collected from the farm, and the green manure. Whereas biofertilizer will include different types of microorganisms such as bacteria, cyanobacteria, fungi, which can be used as nutrient providers. If you are using non-judiciously the chemical fertilizers or inorganic or synthetic fertilizers, it will lead to the pollution of air, water, soil. If you use it too much, your soil will become acidic. So it is a little bit harmful for the farmers. If you're using organic fertilizers, of course, they are very good and they increase the fertility of the soil. Biofertilizers, they are better for sustainable agricultural production, that is not only for today but also for the future generation. They will increase the fertility of the soil for long term, not only for now or present time. So let us study about biofertilizers in detail. So types of biofertilizers, there are five types of biofertilizers: nitrogen fixing biofertilizers, phosphate solubilizing biofertilizers, compost making biofertilizers, cyanobacteria, and fungal biofertilizers. Today we will study only the first four types. For fungal biofertilizers, I'll make a separate video. Nitrogen fixing biofertilizers, they are also called as diazotropes. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrites and nitrates via ammonia. Initially, ammonia is formed, which is later converted to nitrites and nitrates. They are of two types, symbiotic and or free living. Free living are also called as non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing biofertilizers. The symbiotic biofertilizers include rhizobium, which is staying with the roots, which is staying in the root nodules of leguminous plants. These are rod-shaped bacteria. Anabina is found in an aquatic fern azolla, in the leaf of the aquatic fern azolla, or in the coralloid roots of cycas plants, gymnosperms. Frankia, these are actinomycete bacteria, which are staying in the roots of non-leguminous plants in form of symbiotic association. Thus, rhizobium and Frankia, these are bacteria, whereas Anabina, it is a cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. These are helping in fixing nitrogen. The free living or the non-symbiotic form includes Azotobacter, Nostoc, Clostridium, Bergeringia, and Klebsiella. The second type of biofertilizers today we will study is phosphate solubilizing biofertilizers. The insoluble, inorganic phosphate compounds like present in the rock phosphates, they are converted by microorganisms into solubilized form. So they act as phosphate providers to the plants, and phosphate are necessary for growth, for RNA, DNA, ATP formation, and different type of components in the plants. The microorganisms which are phosphate solubilizing are Pseudomonas striata, Bacillus, Polymyxia, Agrobacterium, Micrococcus, even Aspergillus species. So this is the second type. The third type is compost making biofertilizers. These compost making biofertilizers convert the organic matter, the dead decaying organic matter of plants and animals which are present in the soil, and they form it into compost or humus. They convert the organic into inorganic matter, thus increasing the fertility of the soil. Many types of microorganisms found in active compost are bacteria, fungi, actinobacteria, protozoa, rotifers, etc. The fourth type are cyanobacteria, which are used as biofertilizers. Cyanobacteria are also called as blue-green algae. They are aquatic usually, or they may be terrestrial form as well. May be free living or symbiotic. Symbiotic, we just now saw the example of Anabina staying in the leaves of the Azolla fern or in the corolloid roots of the cycas. They may be aerobic, photosynthetic. They can manufacture their own food because they have pigments, chlorophyll pigments, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, and they play very important role in nitrogen fixation. They may have heterocyst or they may not have heterocyst. Example, Anabina, nostoc, Plectonema, oscillatoria, etc. Heterocyst is this special region, as you can see in the picture, which helps in fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. Nostoc and Tolipothrix are associated with lichens. Oscillatoria is found in pond water. So now in next video, we will discuss about fungal biofertilizers, the fifth type. Thank you.